Panic has gripped parts of southern and central Odisha after videos allegedly showing a tiger roaming near villages went viral on social media. One video from Puruna Sunabeda in the Semiliguda forest range, Koraput, shows a large cat wandering near the OU80 forest area. Another clip, reportedly from Gadiyapada Ghat along the Kandhamal-Baudd border, captures the animal crossing a road in broad daylight as a biker passes by. The footage, filmed by a traveller, has left locals terrified. Forest officials have launched verification drives to check for pug marks and signs of tiger presence. Fulbani Forest Range Officer Asalata Digal said, if confirmed, awareness campaigns would be conducted and the animal's movements closely monitored. Meanwhile, in Koraput, patrol teams and trap cameras have been deployed in the Sunabeda area. So far, no photographic evidence or pug marks have been found. Koraput DFO Bhaskar Rao clarified that the animal appears to be a fishing cat, not a tiger, and urged residents not to panic or spread unverified information. Authorities continue to monitor both regions to ensure public safety.
देखुचु आमको भारी डर लगुच आम सका वाकिंग जापारनु ना बाहर को सका बुली जापारनु आर समाधान हेले भल हुंता आम तो सत कि मिछा आम जानू
सेटा कौन सी टाइगर नुह कि लियोपार्ड नुह तापर आसीबो हमरो सिबेट कैट की माने लियोपार्ड कैट जेहेतु सेठी गोटे वाटर बॉडी अछि पानी रो स्थानटा सेटा पछपटटा सेति में हमें सेटा सस्पेक्ट करूछु फिशिंग कैट।